Good morning, students. Now in this session we will study about the sex-linked inheritance in Drosophila. In this topic, here the cross was arranged between the two types of Drosophila. One was wild variety Drosophila, which was having red eye, brown color body and normal sized wing. Second, the mutated. Mutated Drosophila means in which the mutation process has occurred and it was different from the original one. And it was having white eye, yellow color body, short wing. So this were the two types of Drosophila, and as we have discussed earlier, Drosophila is known as the fruit fly and the scientific name of the Drosophila is Drosophila melanogaster. Now the genes responsible for color of eye, body and wing size are present on X chromosome. When a red eye female Drosophila is crossed with a male white eye, the result in the F1 generation were all red eye Drosophila. When males and females of F1 are crossed with each other, in F2 generation, the result were all females are red eye, while 50% male are white and 50% are red eye. So here students, you can see here, this is the particular female is there red eyed and this is the male, that is the white eyed. This is the parental generation is there. Whenever the cross was arranged in the F1 generation, you can see the result, all particular flies they are the red color, and whenever F1 generation, or you can say whenever the females and males they are crossed with each other, in the F2 generation the result was obtained, that is all female flies that are having the red color and the male flies 50% they are having the white eye and the 50% they are having red eye. So here this is the diagrammatic representation is there, you can see clearly. Now this is the chart form representation. Here parental generation it is taken, and here the particular, these are the symbols you have to use. This is the red eye, brown color, and this is white eye. This is the particular normal size wing is there. This is mutated form. Whenever both they are crossed in the F1 generation, you can see all red eyed color, and in the F2 generation these are the 4 box result is obtained. So here you can see that new forms are obtained or recombination has occurred. Now next topic is linkage. Morgan crossed yellow bodied white eyed mutant females to brown bodied red eyed wild type male. In F1 he caught female all wild type and intercrossed their F1 progeny. Intercrossed means F1 they are intercrossed with the male type. He observed that the two genes did not segregate. Two genes did not segregate means they do not separate independently from each other, and the F2 ratio was not obtained as that of Mendel's law, that was 9:3:3:1. Gene that inherited together with other gene as they are located on the same chromosomes are called linked genes. So students, I hope this linked genes definitions are clear to you, that those genes that are inherited together with other genes and they are located on the same chromosome, they are known as linked genes. And inheritance of these two genes together, the process is known as linkage. So this is in the diagrammatic forms, the same, this picture it is given in your NCERT textbook. This is the parental generation, it is shown in the symbolic representation. This is the F1 generation as obtained, and this is the percentage of recombination, it is shown 1.3% and here 37.2%. Here students, you can note down, this is the cross A and cross B, two different crosses are there and the results are 1.3% of recombination and 37.2% of recombination. Here in the picture you can see what are the result of the F2 generation. So by this, Morgan found that when genes were grouped on the same chromosome, some genes were very tightly linked while others were loosely linked. This physical association of genes on a chromosome is known as lineage. And what is recombination? The generation of non-parental gene combination is called recombination. Now non-parental gene combination means the gene combinations are different from the parental generation and the new combination of gene is obtained, and that is known as recombination. It occurs due to the crossing over of chromosomes during meiosis. Students, we have studied in the 11th standard different types of meiosis, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. In meiosis 1 we have studied about the prophase, and in the prophase only we have studied the different phases. So in that different phases, one of the phase was there in which the crossing over occur. So what happens during the time of crossing over, that whatever the gene fragments are there, they get exchanged, and due to that new combination of the particular gene combination results, and that is known as recombination. So I hope student this linkage and sex inheritance in Drosophila, this topic is clear to you. Once again you can go through the chart and you can practice by your own the chart form F1, F2 generation, and please practice how to write in the genetic form.